So here's how to use Wix to make a portfolio easily. First of all, open up your browser and then go to wix.com. So once you're logged in, click on All Sites on the top left and then select Go to All Sites. From this page, click on Create New Site on the top right. After that, you will get to see this message from Wix. From here, you can either select Start Chat or Set Up Without AI. I will go with Setup Without AI. Now, you need to select Portfolio from the options given here. And as you can see, Portfolio is already here. So select it and then click on Continue. Now, just wait for Wix to prepare your dashboard. So once you're in the dashboard, you will get this pop-up. Cancel it for now. After that, click on Design Site on the top right. From here, I will go with Customize a Template, so click on Pick a Template. Now, scroll through the page and select whichever template you want. Once you find the template you want to use, click on Edit. Now, just wait a while for Wix Website Editor to open up. So as you can see, our template is ready. You can now customize your portfolio however you want. Select whichever part you want to edit. To show you guys, I will select the name part right here. This way, you can select whichever part you want and make your adjustments according to your preferences. So that's how to use Wix to make a portfolio easily. If you want to use Wix, click on the link in the description. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.